In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean the paper roller of HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. There is no direct access for that. We have to open the printer. For that you need a Phillips screwdriver, and that is T10. To start opening, we will do carefully and it only takes few minutes, and it's very easy to open and clean this printer. You can do it yourself at home. Now place the printer upside down. You will see there are 3 screws here. So first we will open these 3. Two, 3. So paper output tray is removed right now, and we also have to remove the other section of it. So you just have to pull it one side and then it will come off. There are 2 screws here, so we need to open this. So again we take the screwdriver and move it. That's the second one on this side. Next is go to the front. So we again go to the top side. This time you have to go to the back side. Slide this door out and move this, and you will see there is a screw on this side and one on the other side here. So remove both of them one by one, and this will unlock our printer from the top. Now on the other side, you have to lift it from here, and you can see clearly it can come up. Don't move it a lot because there is a connection below. So if we lose that, you have to reconnect that. So just hold it here and then let this side come out, and same way on the other side. And now we can just move it aside. So here we can see that's our printer from inside. So I was talking about these lines, like if they disconnect, you have to simply reconnect it. So it's not very difficult. Right now we are just focusing to clean the paper roller. Paper roller is here, so you can see that's the paper roller. Now in case your paper roller is not in a good condition, you can just replace it. I'm just going to use a toothbrush. And just try to clean it. Remove any dust you see. Also you can take a tissue paper to clean it. So use a wet tissue paper or wet or damp cloth. Once it is clean, we can just place everything back. So we just have to slide it back, place the front section first, and then let this section go down. You can press it down on the corners so that it adjusts with the base. Once it is done, now we have to place the screws. So tighten these screws first, both on the top. Now go to the bottom of the printer. Place these two screws first Once you do that, now place this plate. So place one end in, other end you will see there is the option. If you press it down, automatically it will go into its position. Now place this back. So that is our paper tray. Now place the paper output tray again and just put this screw. So that was easy, and it only takes few minutes and your printer is ready again. So next time if you have any, so this will solve the problem regarding your paper that gets jammed every time because of the roller, or if it's not picking up the paper. This way you can fix it. So we'll just put it straight. Thanks for watching.